When I hear me, I was talking, man.
Oh, right. Say me turn on the comment, the sound.
You want me that talk, man? Me that ask if you're alright and thing.
Yeah, man. Tap up the scream, guys. Tap up the scream. Tap up the scream.
Uncle,
Yeah?
Shard in the box.
Eh?
At Shard, she has seen a rose. She say for Adar.
Good morning, Uncle.
Morning.
What's up?
Yeah.
You good?
Yeah.
Oh. So how was your trip to Panama?
But you okay, you know?
You could bring me? You know long mo want go Panama, Uncle, but you my broke.
That's the 2 hours we broke. Like a church road.
Bumbo.
Then again, house rent yet.
No, we are look.
Oh. I told you not like Macka. House renting a scheme them.
Put more too far for him, baby.
Yeah. You must stay at town.
And you're so expensive right now. You're so expensive.
You know, guess what I said there?
No, sir. I fight 2,000 I play yourself for the week.
I hear and be there.
Yeah.
Oh.
Buy 2,000 for the week, Uncle. Don't sell them to a thief, man. To them think you have money. I told them think you have money.
And me have to get it after years. I also know for TikTok.
Everybody also and beg. Everybody.
Send Uncle gifts. Send gift for Uncle. Tap up the screen, send gift. Taps are free.
Gifts are fun.
I try my best. Left here, so me make up, me do a WhatsApp video post up. Me don't know what me not do.
So you can't go out there go work because they might trouble you.
I'm gonna share it live, see if we can get something for Uncle. Yes, guys, thanks for the gifts.
Me trying to share Nicki Sema like what a beer talk she not look at me.
Oh,
Nicki Sema.
Oh,
She not look at my ends.
thank you, guys.
Now look.
that's what she stay, man.
Maybe I can try her again, man.
I share it live. I make people them come say.
Glory, if you want to get ad, you have to send Uncle gift before we had you. Anybody want to come in the box, you have to send Uncle gifts. Yes, so you gotta send Uncle something.
30.
I did watch the live on my other page. But I never watch all night. I see I get lion last night.
But Uncle, man, you get lion, that's good.
I might try to pass to
Stefflon done.
Oh.
That's not bad. God is good.
One extra. What's up? Yeah, dear parents. Pronounce it, brother. Thank you.
Thank up the scream, guys.
Tap up the screen, guys. Send gift. Uncle Live Gold is donuts.
Ready. Thanks.
Come I realize say you never see the lion till late. Based on
When?
the screen record when I see this a while ago. Come I just see pink wall put it up.
Them a drunk, everything them put up. Everything them put up. Me not upon them. Not upon them. Everything them put up. You never see nobody else something for post.
Yeah, them are run with things for you.
See, she put up about 4 recording with Danny, Joker, Mitchie Boy in the box. Hear me, Lord Jesus.
That the girl do, that the woman there, she never put out nothing good for Derrick Morgan. Anything where come, where say for me, she run with it. She never, that
Yeah.
pink one, now have nothing to do. Oh, but the girl come out about Derrick now, man. Hey, come on for my life now, come on for my life now, sexy tea. Come on for my life now, sexy tea. Come off of my life, drunk crow. Come off. You see me happy? But me and a man, come up for me life, yeah, girl. Me know where you're from. Leave me alone, yeah. Early morning, yeah.
Uncle, stop pay them man, uncle, so the crosses them stay.
Yeah, now make them dry out so early. I tell you that already. Once them come and say something you don't like, you block them a year life.
Yeah.
And now you have control over it, you block them. Or you mute them. Simple. Cause all them are gonna come do and bring you down. So you just mute them.
Everything pink was see they run. You never see pink I put out say make I do something they run. Everything bad. She run with them.
Coming like the star. The star are one of them places that will bring down people, you know. Every bad news reaching at the star.
Yeah. And people say they get paid. People pay them to advertise them things.
Me used to, like years ago, me used to pay for promotion over there for my business, but I stopped because I can't really mix my business with a platform full of so much
Mix up.
You understand? So I stopped promoting there. Stop promoting there.
So mix up, man. So mix up on top. I spread my business.
One pipa pasta.
Oh, Jesus.
Yeah, what's the
My
Lord
time
Jesus
for
Christ?
left your life, you know. My time for left, you know.
No, man, I one question I ask Derrick. You know, say my
I
night
can't
shift.
manage you, you know. I can't manage you.
My night shift, man.
Thank
Yeah.
you.
So, uncle,
Thank you. Yeah?
you know, when I go over Nicki Minaj live, you should have send her a local rose, make sure she can see you up on the top. You know what I mean? When I say something in the comment, she not go see it because the comment section full up. She should have.
And it move fast.
Yeah.
Fast.
So maybe she will look at the gifts and say your name.
Yeah. So you
Like
say,
how
Uncle
we are see
Derrick.
one extraordinary now. Yeah.
Yes. So the chat that move so fast. So I don't have to do Uncle just go up and reach out and send some rose. You have to send no donut and no. Just send some rose and
Yes, bro.
you will see her.
Yeah, when they send the gift, them I go see you for sure. I'm big it up.
Yeah.
Listen,
Morning, guys. I got it. I'm at work.
Here you know. Worky.
So Pink One post already?
Them just set it up.
Boss lady, if me not work, me can't pay my bills. So me have to
That
work.
me know, baby. That me know.
Everybody run with that from last set, Kims. Everybody run on
I posted just a while ago.
Morning, Kim.
Morning, hon. Morning.
Morning, Uncle.
And the people them in the comments are slaughter uncle. Them beg too much and them not like the people them in the box. Them chat too
Everybody
much.
beg.
And this and that and one bag I bring down.
They not bring me because they don't know me. They could have bring that. They could have bring that.
Somebody comment and say him can use the lion and come out of the guest house now. So hear me in my head. What them think a lion is a bag of money?
TikTok take half of that money there a long time.
Me live in a guest house. Me could have been getting up here 42,000. You see them a fucking idiot. You see them a fucking idiot and boss lady.
That's why while the gift them good, I prefer send it to your account or meet up and get it than send it through TikTok. Because I know TikTok I go take for them percentage. That's why I'm going to send gift. It really not make no sense when you check it out.
That's true, man.
But who can send it? But if me know somebody can meet him up and give him the money or send it to him account, I prefer do that. When I know him I get the full length of money. Understand?
Me have a problem with them. A problem I tell you what. Me come to them and tell them about my business.
But if people are really too fierce.
Now when my apartment, the comment make me stronger.
True.
Me not see me a flow. Me not worry about. Because I be talk about when I come room. Me not worry about myself. Cause me not pay me not even a guest house.
But I tell you, uncle, you know, alright, Mama tell you, you know what I think, Kems? And this is what I genuinely think, and I'm being honest. You see, when uncle come for talk certain things, I think him should turn off the comments to subscribe only. Because really and truly, you come for talk, you don't want your You understand?
But you say, you have a point for two because I'm not your boss lady. Boss lady, he has enough persons on his team, so he could always sub. So uncle, if they're talking a lot, you just turn off the comment, turn on your sub, so that if they want to listen, they'll have to subscribe.
Right,
whatever boss lady is saying.
That's what I am
Because you come in to talk, uncle, and them are upsetting in the comments. It is a turn off and it show off whatever you have to say. So you see when them start to irritate you, you turn off your comment and make them have to pay for comment. That's what I see other people are do, and it is working for them. So it can work for you. You can't break them bad. You can't break them bad. So at the end of the day, your support system where they're around you, which is Kems, Danny, Casey, and whoever else, we're always there on your live. Everybody have to just come together and choose the best way forward for you. At the end of the day, mix up sell, just like sex sells. So you have to sell it in a decent way. So when you come to talk up the things them, if them are gonna chat be a foolishness in the comments for upset you, and if them are gonna come on your platform and bring you down, just make them have to pay for bring you down. Simple. It doesn't matter if somebody gonna drop the views. It doesn't matter.
So off God.
Abraham.
If you say you have a crush on you, boss lady. As earlier, you come in the box and come over here.
Uncle gifter, so you have to come over here for come give uncle. But you see when people rate you, it no matter where you do, them support you. So it no matter if the views drop, as long as them are subscribe for watch you and for comment, I saw it go. So you see on this app here, if you don't know what you do, them bring you right down. May I tell you that? Cause the people on here, them bill you and they will break you.
They will serve that.
I mean, my job.
Big up the gift to uncle, don't let them big up her.
Thank you. Me now look on them.
So anytime you see them come on at settings for hurt your feelings or upset you, you not have to respond to them. Just mute them or block them. Cause them want you come across every day. That them want. And when you come across every day, certain blessing where they out there for you, don't claim it to them.
No, you have to send a gift to me. Me good. You have to send it to me. Thanks, though.
And you only not need to send gift to we in the box
Yeah, but
because
big
it's Uncle platform. So he made it more than we. We just there for being support system and put in with 2 cents and go about our business.
The person got something here.
I am
Today.
my friend, you can't ask me no.
Nobody listen to the whole life song, but like I say, if you remember them songs.
But me I try to say a punchline. That is what always. It's a song, a punchline, and if the punchline, so it go. Me not care. But I'm telling the truth. I say, nobody look for uncle over here. I carry uncle go studio. I'm happy about that. And me produce the song. I'm happy. Me no business who want for part one good, from who the good say it's song hot. I know uncle hot. Well, uncle
You hot. You hot to Macka. I'm telling you, fuck you hot.
Yes, if not wrong, if uncle boss me, I'm not boss me get.
How uncle go bust you and your bin boss? What kind of phone you chat about? Your bin boss much years ago. Everybody know Macka.
We just prepare for the whole of them. We prepare for the whole of them.
I don't know why Macka don't tell Jayden go be here.
Me keep on telling him. Oh yeah, Boss Lady come back good. Yeah, Boss Lady, say no what happened this morning, Boss Lady. Me have a Macka man live at top up his screen. When me look, Jayden I say, oh.
Derrick, say hi to my mother.
Very good. Hello. Hey, Derrick.
If you read that, I do. If you read your
She favor me.
Macka get a good jeans
Man,
from.
that make me look like this. So me make she look like me.
Right, that's so, mommy. Right, that's so.
Proud, mommy. You see her mommy proud?
Of course, of course.
She look good too. That's how she look good. Like they hot, like in a short age.
You might
I
come.
want your mother. You want
Yeah, but you do Leroy too. Oh, Leroy, Derrick want to meet you.
It's my stepfather. My stepdad. Say hi.
Morning.
Yes, morning. How are you?
Not bad.
Right.
Yeah, I saw him and I'm gonna laugh.
I'm here, man. I know you from years back, man. Hey.
Always I listen to everything.
Always I listen to everything, man. You don't worry.
One Derrick, man.
Derrick, they want
Yes,
to
man. All right.
That's tough. Big up Derrick, man.
They like, it's a Derrick, you will soon meet them in a person.
Derrick wants to be there now. I'm here.
Yeah. With Leroy. Now my mom have a farm. We can climb up on the farm. We have the farm on the hill and all these things. I have a farming down here. And food. I pick them pig, what do you call it, mint off a tree this morning. People pick mint off of the tree.
I don't know Macka.
You must have paused and I come grab a bomb bag and I go head to our side. But you think them love cooks over there, she cooks over with on the food, we lick with the food. We come for a bag, 2 bags to come for.
I didn't know for look our we go look our my opinion is on TikTok every day. And I go I will for cream.
With the over pink walls, did everything, with Stefflon and the over pink wall, you know.
Your blood clot. So quick. Oh yeah,
I don't want to
I to bring it good. Bringing out do nothing for nobody. Anybody she post me.
Macka teach if it's carry some men for him. Teach the Boss Lady friend.
But I'm not going to.
Here I said don't mix me up with nobody. Hey, me class, you know, Kems. Here I said don't mix me with no blood clot body. Hey, me class, you know, man, you know.
Wait, then I have friend. When I say friend, not regular friend, I mean not personal, I know, just friend.
A Boss Lady name is Taxi?
Yeah, me have a backup page because I can't take the bagga sometime. And when me have back hiding page, them still start me over here.
Lord God Almighty.